We're singing two sounds. The first one is la. Can you say that? Ready? La. Perfect. And the next one is do. You try it. Ready? Do. Now let's put them together. La do. La do. La do. That's it. We are ready to sing a song. It sounds like this. La do, la do, la do. I love to sing. La do, la do, la do. It's time to sing. La do, la do, la do. I love to sing. So sing with me. Can you sing that with me? La do. You ready? Here we go. La do, la do, la do. I love to sing. La do, la do, la do. It's time to sing. La do, la do, la do. I love to sing. So sing with me. Nice, good job. Okay, do you think you can sing it all by yourself? Let's try it. Ready? La do, la do, la do. I love to sing. Your turn. It's time to sing. One more time. I love to sing, so sing with me. Oh boy, do you think we can go faster? You ready? Here we go. La do, la do, la do. I love to sing. La do, la do, la do. It's time to sing. La do, la do, la do. I love to sing. So sing with me. Whew! But I don't think we're done singing just yet. Let's do more sounds. The first one is do. Right, we already know that one. Can you say it again? Do. Perfect. And the next sound we're gonna say is da. Da. That's right. So if we put them together, it sounds like this. Do da. Do da. Can you try it? Do da. Do da. Do da. That's perfect. Let's practice it. Ready? Do da. 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 Can I hear you sing really loud? Do da. 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 Oh, you're ready. Camptown Racetrack, sing their song. Do da. Do da. Camptown Racetrack, 5 miles long. Oh, do da day. Can you try it? Camptown